Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL OT11 and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open settings application. In it we look for our random access memory selection, which is in our memory extension, and there we have not there. We must scroll down and open our about table mode, where we must find our device build number, and now we must tap sometimes to activate our develop mode. To confirm it, enter your look screen, and after that we can go to the system, where we have new additional settings developer option. We tap there, in it memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory that now it's 1.6 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.